Hey, all wonderful people out there. Today I'm doing a little video about my top 5 weirdest Supreme accessories that are dropping in their spring-summer collection of 2019. If you guys like this video or, want to give me a comment on what you think your weirdest accessory that you've seen so far by Supreme is, just let me know in the comment section below. Chuck me a subscribe, click that little notification bell for me, and without further ado, we'll jump right in. So for number 5, it would have to be, I'd have to say, it's the mocha pot. For some reason, Supreme's like, yo, our demographic loves coffee. Let's make sure that they can make coffee at home with Supreme written on it. I mean, they've already done the mugs. They did the mugs like last year. Now you've got the coffee pot, so you can brew your coffee beans, and you pour in your Supreme mug, and then you set. You get a little hype beast coffee. It's perfect. But in the respects of Supreme being like a skating brand, originally, I don't know if that's changed over time, but I'm pretty sure you'd still count them as a skating brand. A coffee pot, a mocha pot. It's a tad odd. It's just it's a little whack. I'm not gonna lie, it's whack. So originally, for my number 4 slot on this list, I was gonna do the drum kit. It's the first accessory that comes up when you look in their new view book. But I thought this one was a little bit more justified for slot number 4, and it's the Super Soaker. I cannot imagine a skater would ever have any use for a water pistol. I mean, I don't know. I don't skate, so maybe there's a demographic of skaters that are just like, you know what? Let's spray some people while we're on our boards. Yeah, boy. I don't know. There could be a demographic, but it's definitely not the majority. I don't see skaters going down the street with Super Soakers in their hands. I don't see why Supreme has to make Super Soakers. I'm assuming this is purely for a hype beast kind of thing. I feel like the only reason they're doing the Super Soakers is to appeal to those people that collect all the accessories, all of them. That's the only reason I could see they could make it, but I think it's just a little whack. I don't think I would honestly get the Super Soaker or think it's a good accessory to own by Supreme, honestly. So for number 3 on the list, this one so weird. So last year they did the permanent markers, the Supreme permanent markers, and I thought, you know what, eventually the permanent marker is going to run out, it's going to lose all of its value, and even initially buying it, you're like, why would I buy a Supreme permanent marker? Because the only use is to use it, and then it's going to run out. But this one has to take the cake on most useless Supreme accessory, and it's the Supreme Bandaids. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in 2019, Supreme's like, you know what? What can we put our brand name on? Dude, I got it. Bandaids. Why? I mean, I sort of get it, because if you're skating, injure yourself, and then they're like, dude, I need to cover up this little nash that I've got on my arm, bro. And then it's like, dude, I got it. Supreme Band-Aid. I mean, again, I feel it's for the demographic of the hypebeasts, where they're just like, I'm collecting every accessory, gotta have the Band-Aids. I don't think I can see skaters every now and then just being like, man, I injured myself, I'm just gonna have to slap on a Supreme Band-Aid and fix the issue, I just can't see it. It's too weird for me. Okay, so for number 3 on my list, it would have to be the collaboration between Hot Wheels and Supreme to make the Hot Wheels Supreme 1992 BMW M3 and Fleet Flyer scale model. It is ridiculous. It is so stupid. There is literally no reason. There is no reason. Not a single skater is going to use Hot Wheels. No skater is going to be like, you know what? I can't live my skating life without the Hot Wheels Supreme car. Purely for the hype beasts. Purely for the hype beasts. There is literally no reason they made this but for the hype beasts. 100%. But you can see it. The price is going to be insane. It's the resale value on a Hot Wheels Supreme car is going to be massive. It's probably going to be more than a car itself. It's probably going to be something ridiculous, $200-300, which again, more than a car. I mean, maybe not a very good car, but a car, either way, it's crazy. That's too much for me. It's too weird. So number 1 on my most weirdest Supreme accessory of 2019 Spring Summer Collection would have to be the Supreme Crowd Air Freshener. They did it. They made an air freshener. They did not just they could have just done a little cylinder with Supreme written on it and that'd be an air freshener. No, they had to make a crown air freshener And, you know, of course, it's going to sell. Like, that's the thing. It's going to sell out. It's going to be a ridiculous amount for the resale price. People are going to want it. It's going to be all over Instagram in like a couple days. It's just, it's too much. It's not for the demographic of Supreme skaters at all. It's just for the hypebeasts. And I suppose Supreme's jumping on the bandwagon because they know anything that they put the logo on, it'll sell. Like, people will buy it. And this air freshener's no exception. I mean, they sold the brick. The brick sold, and the air freshener's gonna sell too. It's gonna happen. There's nothing we can do. Yeah, that's number one. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, number one is the air freshener. Now that video is all done and dusted, I'd just like to say thank you all for watching. If you could leave a big old like for me, a big old comment in the comment section that I can reply to, and a big old fat subscribe as well, that would be beautiful. Just let me know what kind of content you guys would love me to make next, and until next time guys, I'll catch you later.